Very beautiful. There's even a resting spot here, look. Wow, so much different from what there was tadi. Oh, Putri. Oh, doon ni daripada.
Yeah, this
Can you swim? Swim here.
and Lagoon.
Oh, Lagoon.
Big water, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, enak ni.
Sawadika.
Sawadika. Oh.
Assalamualaikum.
Oh, Putri ni ikan duyung.
Oh, stop. Yeah, stop. Stop, yeah, stop.
Brake, put the brake on. Brembo brake.
Careful. You need to concentrate, yeah.
Okay, this one looks like a binatang.
Banyak orang ya.
Dia lo ya Mai.
Sawadika.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Sawadika. What about the captain? You not filming the captain?
Bang, ni macam mana bang? Sini everything right. For goodness sake. Just be careful, I'm taking Green in here.
The water's nice and cold.
Yeah, this cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Look at the marine again.
Right, Bang, this is the Thai area. She's still there. Oops.
One-way traffic.
Dapat shoulder lu yang ya. Go far, yeah, go far. Look. Watch what she's doing. You're not watching. Spring water. Where?
Bubbling.
Oh,
Yeah, spring water ya.
here. Oh,
Right here.
Ini tong no. Berapa lah ni nak? Di 3 meter.
Oh, cantik ah.
3 meter. Ya. We have waterproof. Can make video. In the water.
underwater.
Yeah, very good.
Gila eh.
Okay, wait.
My back sayang.
Yang you got ini pedal.
Ha.
Okay, underwater. Just start like this. Yeah, that's it. No, the other way.
The other way.
Pedal backwards. Pedal backwards. Pedal backwards.
You go back.
Pedal backwards like this. Pedal backwards like this. Pedal backwards. This is the underwater view. There's a hot spring in here.
Yeah, you are video on the screen.
Boleh backwards?
Tak boleh. Can you put this underwater? Oh yeah, yeah.
Can you come? Look at me. Look, fish here, look. On this side. Come around this way. There's fish here. Yeah, depan ni, to your left, there's fish here. Here, come on. Look. See? The fish is right there.
Oh yeah, look the fish. Yes, I told you. Where's our camera?
Your phone?
Yeah. Huh?
Can I hand you that phone?
Yeah, not big. Don't take anymore. Okay, don't take.
Oh, sorry.